Expenses are assets that have been used. Let's try to digest this. In business, when a cash outflow takes place, it can be for some expenditure purposes or it can be for some repayment purposes. Let's say they have availed some loan, they are repaying that, or they are redeeming the capital, let's say preference shares or debentures or buyback of capital. Okay, so cash outflow can happen for this. Cash outflow can also happen for an expenditure. And that's where the question of whether it is an expense or an asset arises. Let's look at this scenario. There is an expenditure. We are going to analyze whether there will be any future benefit on account of this expenditure. If there is going to be no future benefit, then that expenditure will be called as expense. And if there is going to be any future benefit, then that expenditure will be called as asset. We started this video by saying expenses are assets that have been used. It means most of the time when we incur cash outflow, they will be expenditure mostly in the form of asset. But when we see there is no future benefit out of this expenditure, only then we classify it as an expense. Take this example of cash outflow happening for purchase of raw materials. Let's say the raw materials are consumed in the production process and they are sold as manufactured finished goods. Then in that case, there is no future benefit because they are already consumed and they are also sold. There is no future benefit, so we call it as an expense. But if those raw materials are going to remain in stock, it means in future they will be consumed and in future they will be sold. In future it will bring in benefit. So anything that is going to bring future benefit, we call it as asset. So here also, if you notice, while purchasing the raw material, the idea is to keep it as asset only because the benefit is expected in future only. But when that raw material is consumed, the future benefit is lost because benefit is derived, and that's when it becomes an expense. And here we go, Credit and Financial Analysis Mastery course. It's a comprehensive pre-recorded online course that comes with 15 modules of video lectures, basically 70 plus hours of video contents, multiple ebooks and reading materials related to credit and financial analysis that will make up another 30 plus hours of content. So totally it is 100 plus hours of learning resources. Then you will also get access to a private community in Telegram for clarifying your doubts in credit and financial domain. Then you also have the flexibility to choose 1 year subscription or lifetime subscription depending upon your learning goals. So by joining this course, you will learn basics of credit analysis, how to read balance sheet, financial ratio analysis, cash flow, fund flow analysis, how to arrive at credit risk rating, how to prepare CMA report, cash budget, how to assess credit facilities like CC, OD, LC, BG, term loan, how to write bank loan proposal, and you will also have access to case studies related to credit analysis. So to join this course, to know more about the course, comment CFA, and I'll share the details with you.